So hello and how's it going, guys? So this is Jaxkul again and welcome back to my channel.
Hold up.
So for this video, mag-unbox tayo ng another sneaker review, which is apparently parang super rare na nangyayari ngayon. Surprisingly, nakakuha ko or napick ako sa draw. So yun, gusto ko lang share itong experience sa inyo. So mostly siguro alam nyo na kung anong sapatos to kasi pinost ko na to and it was... So you know Netflix, diba? So meron silang exclusive na series which is yung Stranger Things. And this is the Nike Dunks Stranger Things, yung new version for their final season. Kakarating lang nito, ngayon lang din. So November 6 to din wrap and nag-join din ako ng raffle nung time na yun and surprisingly nanalo ko yun. Samahan nyo ako yan, box itong sapatos na to. So if you guys know, meron silang box, sariling box ang Nike, which is their cheapest box, which is ito, yung itsura nito. Project nila na Move to Nature. So ito yung box niya. Makukuha nyo yung sapatos nyo sa Nike, laging nakaganto. Pero mostly pag sapatos, nakaganto lagi yung cheapest box nila. Pag hindi, magtaka na kayo. So upon opening the box, ayan. Isa pa lang nakita ko nag-review nito, si Sean Go pa lang. So yon, yung box niya has some parang vines na mga naka-embodied. Ayan. Yun, ngayon lang ako na interest sa another pair of shoes. So yun, ito yung box niya, which is... Okay, baligtad pala. So surprisingly, nagulat ako dun sa tag, nakalagay is, nakamark is SB Dunk. Which is... Hindi kasi to dapat SB Dunk. Dapat regular Dunk lang. Discuss na natin yung box. So, makikita nyo dito yung Beaverton, Oregon, which is the Nike headquarters. Tapos, meron ditong mga naka-indicate kung saan yung mga parang main na Nike flagship nila. Pero, yung all over the box niya is merong embodied na mga vines, which is kung nanonood kayo ng Stranger Things, alam nyo na yon. Then yung map ng buong mundo. So yan yung sa top flap niya. Then moving to the tag size, yan, kung makikita nyo, Nike Dunk Low SP ST nakalagay. Then kung makipapansin nyo to, Nike Stranger Things dun sa top flap which is very nice, para alam nilang nag-i-indicate na collab nga to ng Stranger Things. Also, if you notice this one, nakalagay Nike SB, which is very weird. Kasi alam ko regular Dunks lang to. Wala naman ng problema kung SB Dunks siya kasi mas comfortable din ang SB Dunks, kumbaga. Then, dito sa left and right niya, magkapares lang sila. Dito naman sa other side, nakalagay is paid. Tapos, thank you for shopping at Bradley's. Hindi ko alam yung Bradley's, pero maybe another hint sa paparating na final season ng Stranger Things. And if you guys notice, 1987 Nike Stranger Things sa bottom part niya, sa cream part na section nito. So sa likod niya is merong ganito. Yan, Nike swoosh. Tapos Netflix upside down 21 laps dito sa right side niya. Mga box natin is made in Vietnam, China, ganyan. Normal na lang yan kasi China is, or yung mga yun is very big in manufacturing, so doon sila nanggagaling. So yeah, so let's open the box and let's see what it comes with, no? Alright, meron siyang get 20% off for your next Nike order. So it's very nice. Siguro dahil gumastos ako ng malaki para sa sapatos na to, no? So meron siyang papered here. Hawkins ata to if I'm sure. I think this is Hawkins, no? Well, kudos to Nike, no, for making the final season of Stranger Things collab very special, no? Mostly para siyang reimagined na Dunks. If you guys know the OG Chicago when it was released 2 years ago, para siyang ganun. So, I'm not a big fan of crack leathers, no? But yeah, ayun talaga yung pinupunteriya ng Stranger Things, which is crack leather and para siyang gamit na gamit. Yan, with is yellowing pa nga pati yung kanyang flat laces over here. Tapos yung insoles niya, tsaka yung soles niya is yan, parang yellowing na. Included niya na mga pins, which is metal pins. 4 siya, and pwede nyo ata itong ikabit. Hindi ko alam kung para sa shoes ba to or something na bonus lang. May Bradleys dito, tapos chickens yung nag-i-squeak, tapos WSA 94.5 FM. Then you guys know Hellfire Club, which is yung last season lang. Then moving on to the shoes ulit tayo. So yon, ito yung shoes. Siyempre 2 pair yan. Dito sa malapit sa tab niya is may Nike na naka-upside down siya. Tapos 1987. Lahat ng leather or yung ginamit na materials is cracked. Yung soles niya is yellowing, which is parang very old na. Then indigo or parang blue ata to, deep navy blue, yung sa outsole niya. Yan, parang ginamit pantapak yung outsole, no? Meron pang mga langis-langis dito na design. Then, yung Nike swoosh, navy blue. As well as for the materials, crackling leather ulit. Yung shoelaces niya is yung flat laces. Then, sa tongue is dirty brown. Or hindi ko sure, white to siguro. Tapos dinip sa Jobus or something. For the Nike na naka-upside down. Ayan, sa tongue niya. Naka-upside down yung Nike niya. Then sa likod niya naman, makikita nyo is Stranger Things. Then sa insole naman, which is this one, may nakalagay na Nike, nakabaligtad sa Stranger Things. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa loob. Tapos may design na mga vines over here sa loob din. Then sa likod niya, which is this one, sa heel tab is Nike na nakabaligtad. Same as any other leather na gawa siya, crackling din. May mga cracks. Tapos white na all over yung kanyang line. Very simple lang siya. Sa toe box niya, yan, crackling as well. Though maganda siya sa personal, hindi ko sure kung paano iti-take to ng mga hindi fan ng Stranger Things. Pero me as a fan, na-appreciate ko naman dahil syempre, ito yung vibe ng kanilang show. So, yan lamang. That is it. Yung outsole niya, or dito, kaparehas lang siya ng normal Dunks. Ang weird part lang is yung nasa box na nakalagay is considered siya as SB Dunks, which is very weird. Kasi regular Dunks lang to para sa akin. Kasi yung paddings niya, hindi naman siya makapal. But I don't know, yeah. So yun lang. So this is the Stranger Things Nike Dunks, yung collab nila for their final season. Yun lamang guys, and I'll see you again on my next video.